Let's get a check of the forecast now with Dave.
Yes, what a hot day we had around here today, Kelly. Official high today at DIA made it to 96, the record 98 degrees. It was 97 in Akron, 96 in Greeley, 95 in Boulder, 101 in Grand Junction, and even Telluride coming in very hot at 80 degrees this afternoon. Here's the satellite and radar. Now, we started out the day with bright blue skies and sunshine, and then by afternoon, by the noon hour, thunderstorms started firing up. Northern Colorado, southern Colorado, we've got a few thunderstorms here and there in the mountains. Nothing severe going on. We did have one little round come across Larimer County into Weld County up here with some brief pockets of heavy rain, a lot of lightning, and even some small hail out of some of those. In fact, Marcia Hobart in Glenhaven near Estes Park showed us a little of that pea-sized hail on her back deck. Yesterday was just rain. Today, rain and hail. In fact, Bob Rising is one of our weather watchers up there in Estes Park, and he had 69 hundredths of an inch of rainfall about 3 and 4 o'clock this afternoon. Here's what's making the weather. Big ridge of high pressure over the western half of the nation here, but under this high, we're seeing a little moisture bubble up from down south, from the Gulf Coast, pushing across Mexico and then winding back into central portions of Colorado. That may be a sign that the monsoon flow, the reversal of the flow that we usually see mid to late July, may be starting up. And if that's the case, over the course of the next several afternoons, we could see more thunderstorms firing up. And by the time we get to Wednesday, a little more of this moisture will flow in. We might actually get a few more reports of bona fide rain and not just lightning and wind out of some of these storms. So that will be nice to see. In the meantime, we're looking at clearing skies tonight, and then tomorrow thunderstorms will fire up in the mountains, isolated here, but a little better chance than what we had today. And some of those may pull out over the eastern plains, Denver, and the northeast late in the day. And look at this map tomorrow. That's at 10 o'clock tomorrow night. We might get some rainfall in some of the mountains. That'll be good for the fire danger up there. And that might be the trend that we'll see over the next couple of days. Going to be hot though tomorrow. Again, before all that happens, 90s and triple digits down low, and again, a lot of 80s showing up in the high country. So for tonight, partly cloudy, breezy, full thunder moon out there tonight. Will be about 66 in town, and we do have poor air quality, unfortunately. Mid-90s tomorrow, hot start to the week. Isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon with a 10% chance of that. But on Tuesday, our chances for storms go up to 20% all the way through Friday. Tuesday, 92, and we cool it off into the 80s to near 90 degrees on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wednesday will be an interesting day because I think that might be when we get a little more juice to some of these storms that come through.
And we need it.
We do.
So just bring it out and squeeze it as much as you can.
I wish we could. That would be nice, huh?
Yes. Thank you, Dave. We'll be right back.